My name is Kate Gibson. I'm from Edmonton, Canada. I'm a second-year distance learning student in the School of Archaeology. Being a distance learning student has been phenomenal. I have always wanted to be an archaeologist. I studied librarianship my first go around in school, loved it. I've been a librarian for 17 years, but I still always wanted to be an archaeologist.
My name is Ryan. I'm in my 6th year of a BA in Ancient History and Classical Archaeology. The best thing for me about coming here and being able to have an experience at the Chester House estate was the connection I was able to build up with some of the excavators, some of the people who work for ULAS in particular. The fact that we've got ULAS able to actually give you advice and to work with you is fantastic.
My name is Andre Noël. I'm from Montreal, Canada. I'm a retired engineer studying as a DL student. I'm finishing my course this August, so I'm very, very happy about that. It's been an extremely pleasant experience. People are very helpful and I learn new things. I find interesting things, wall. I can excavate things like skeletons, which are pretty rare. So yeah, it's quite an experience. I would recommend it to anybody. And that's why I'm traveling from Canada to do it.
I have developed so many skills. It's been wonderful learning from the professors, from the volunteers, from my fellow students. Basically like basic troweling, excavation, drawing of a site, drawing of a plan of the site, taking photography of the site, just also learning how to differentiate the different soils, the different artifacts that are coming out of the ground, and also what this site actually was.
Hands-on experience has been fantastic. So I've been able to do, well, the basics. So I've been able to move stuff with my trowel. I've been able to excavate using different tools, simple things like that. But I've been able to do drawing as well. Drawing out context sheets, filling those out, the paperwork bits, some of the stuff that can be maybe more intuitive to do, but actually is challenging in its own way, and that's a necessary part of doing archaeology. And besides that, I've been able to learn how to do the more general theoretical things, certain ways of where to dig and knowing what we're looking for.
The opportunity to do distance learning while also keeping my full-time job in Canada, coming out here to do this, going next year to the lab week at Leicester University itself, it's fit around my life so well, and I'm so excited to continue learning with this school.